If you want to connect Pixel 10 Pro into your car by using cable, you can for sure do this, but you have to first of all go into the Google Play Store on this phone and search for Android Auto. And just simply make sure that you are using the latest version of Android Auto application. Right now you will have to get the double USB-C cable. You don't even have to use an original cable. I'm using this one from my old Samsung phone. You have to plug it in into the USB-C compatible port or the USB-A port. It depends of your car model. And now this second end of the cable we have to connect into our phone. Yeah, just like this. And now in your car you should get this pop-up notification. So you have to accept this notification, and as you can see now we are successfully connected. When I'm gonna open this quick settings, I can find this information. It's looking for an Android Auto, and by clicking here we can find that we can continue on our vehicle screen. Everything is fine, we are connected, and now we can easily switch between the Android Auto and our car settings. And that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.